welcome to another Smiling Color video, friends. If you're anything like me, there's nothing more exciting than a fresh box of art supplies. Today is one of those days I finally got my hands on a set of Posca paint markers. I've been dying to try these out for so many years, and I'm so ready to unbox them and see what the hype is all about. The first look, the colors on this set are absolutely stunning. I love how vibrant they look even before touching the paper. I bought the set of 16 markers with a brush tip. I'm excited to try out the brush tip especially. Now let me crack open this package and get to the most satisfying part. Let's swatch these markers. These markers need to be activated, so you just press down on the tip a couple of times and you'll see the ink or the paint flow through. And once that happens, the markers are basically creamy. You just shake and press and then the paint flows perfectly. So before I draw a full page of art, I always like to swatch the markers. This lets you get a feel and flow of the paint from the markers. They are so smooth, incredibly opaque. I've been using watercolor markers for so long. These acrylic paint ones are a nice change. Even the light colors give a nice complete coverage. This is like a huge win for mixed media artists. All right, now it's time to put them to the real test. I'm going to create a simple nature-themed design in my sketchbook and see how the paint colors layer. I also like that you can kind of use the broad tip itself, the paint tip, to lay down a nice background of color. It covers a large area quickly and evenly, and there's not much streaking. Now with just the tip only, I can add all the small details. I can easily draw small flowers on the dried background layer. And the background didn't really take too much time to dry. It was pretty quick. So this is truly the power of paint markers. You get nice, intense colors. For me, the ability to layer colors from light to dark or dark to light without having to wait for hours is so much fun. This just makes making sketchbook art so much quicker, and the finished page looks incredible. I love the matte finish. It is just so rich. So if you've been on the fence about trying these markers, go for it. They perform beautifully from everything for quick doodles to detailed illustrations. I'll leave a link in the description box for the exact set of markers I bought. You want to look out for a sale while buying these. They are kind of spendy and they are a splurge. And of course, hit the like button and subscribe for more art tutorials. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting.